Most of the beginners start watching programming tutorials for the sake of learning many programming languages. When they learn a programming language, then they move forward to the next one. So when they start, then they just watch. Means, whatever the tutor is saying they say yes yes I understand and then, they copy the code given in description and paste. They don't get any error. The fact is they just hear and understand the concept, close to 35%, and after that, they take rest for 3 or more days, then they forget even that 35%. They restart the concept and the cycle goes on. And at the end, if they are learning programming for the first time, they take 4 to 5 months to complete the video. So when they try to apply the concepts on a project, they get confused like what was the syntax, why I can't solve the problem, etc. Then they go back to the video and they watch that again, then they understand the concept. But the thing is, this all took a lot of time. Kind of waste of time. What about, if they have given perfect time for every concept, and they tried on different thing? Then this may not be happened.
So what to do? First, you should know why you are learning programming. Are you learning it for the sake of being cool and friends? Or for making a unique project? Or for a perfect job? How you should watch tutorial videos.
First, understand the concept by trying on your own. For example, you are watching a CSS tutorial, where you learn flexbox, then, try to implement them in HTML elements. Try to know how it helps in centering the HTML elements. Then move forward, to the next concept. Make sure, that you don't just write the code given in video, but to change it and make a different thing using the same concept. Now, second thing is to watch the tutorial consistently. I'm sure this is the hardest part of the tutorials, but if you don't watch consistently, then the link of learning concepts will be broken, and you have to restart the concept again. Not every day you should watch tutorials, but watch once or twice in 3 days for more than 30 minutes. Then the third thing is, do projects. Yeah, most of the people may know this, but they may don't know how to do it exactly. Here the problem is, most of the people watch YouTube video projects where everything is shown, and code is given already. People just copy and paste the code and done. Project is complete. Not everyone do that, but most of the people. Try to make projects on your own. Yeah, you can take the idea of the project from YouTube videos, websites, but just the idea, and try to make the project on your own. At first, you may find difficulties, errors, but don't give up there. Go and search for the error and solve. Many people think, this is wrong, but when you search for your error, you also get to know why that error happened in the program. It increases your experience of learning the programming language. After making many projects, your hands on the programming language will be easy. Now, if you want any quizzes or questions related to programming, then go to my channel's community tab, where you will get quizzes and questions. If you know Hindi, then you can also read my Hindi blog, link in description. In comments, you can also discuss. Thanks for watching, and subscribe.